Task Calendar is a feature that provides admins a view of tasks based on filters and date ranges. In this view, we are looking at all tasks for the current month that have not yet been completed. We see that Chris and Sam have upcoming tasks, and a task from the week before has not been claimed by anyone in the group. Filters include time zone, user groups, individual users, and status. The view options are month, week, day, and list. The tasks may be colored by the user's assigned color, the status color, or the assigned task color. And finally, tasks may be filtered by the task type. Click on a task to view and edit the details. Since this task wasn't claimed last week, we may change the due date to this week. Click Save, and the task is moved on the calendar. The filters may be reset at any time by clicking the Reset button.